Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today is going to be a little combination between a short unboxing, a scale mod, and a future giveaway. So, what this is the little Brother Watchman um, BOBGG9C4T, the FO15 fixed blade D2 is sheath in blue. So this is the one in black that I added a strap to. Let's just get into this one. And this is going to be the blue with the black blade. And what I had wanted to do, this is the way this guy comes. Ooh, it's got some goop on the, we got oil issues. Got a little G10 oil issues. Get my rag. Hold on, guys. Get my alcohol. Hold on, kids. That's the kind of thing that'll drive me crazy. I don't know what that is. Just some black oil machining mutts. Anyway, we'll deal with that later. But this has got the black washed D2 steel blade, where the first one that I have has the satin D2 blade. So I've really enjoyed these little knives. Let's see how sharp this one is. Hold on a sec. Let's see if I can find something to cut. I don't have anything really outside of very slicey. Okay. So my plan was to take the black scales off the stone or the satin and put them on the black wash and then give away the blue and stone washed on the next Friday Night Flicks. So in order to make that a reality, I've got to try to bust these scales loose. That came off easier than expected. I'm sure I'll run into something I'm not expecting. Holy Batman, that might be, oh my gosh. This is actually going to work quite well and be quite easy. Put some of that oil. All right, let's do this one just like this. Guys, I appreciate your patience. But like I say, I don't know if I'm going to release this as a members video, which I probably will. Um, but I might make this just a general giveaway. Um, and uh, and just release it to everybody and let anybody that's in the live next week have a chance to win this knife. And that's probably what we'll do. And then I'll do another giveaway this week that we'll draw for my members. It'll be a little bit nicer knife. All right, so we're going to take this blue scale and we're going to place it right there. Nope. Yep. Guys, if this goes this easily, I will be blown away. All right, now let's take this side. Do the same thing. And by the way, these aren't T5s. These are a little hex bit that I had in one of my Weehaw kits. It is a 3/32. A lot of times these fixed blade handles are going to be a little different. Oh yeah, I'm going to dig that. So let's rinse and repeat on the other side. Wow. I guess if you're shipping stuff from China, it's better to have too much oil than no oil, right? I don't know. Let's see here. But these little knives are very similar to the Essie Canduras. Um, I find that you can use the belt loop that they come with, which is the way my giveaway will ship, but you can also put straps on there if you want to do it horizontally, like I've got mine set up, or you can put an ulti clip on there. So you've really got a lot of options. All right. I am a freaking idiot. No, I'm not. I am an idiot. I took my blue scale back off. So I knew I'd do something to slow us down, guys. But if I didn't, it wouldn't be a train wreck and it wouldn't be nearly as entertaining. And the good news is it's not going to derail us much. We are now going to take the black scale, take the blue scale, and let's clean it off a little bit. Some goop out of there, some of that oil. Bad news about living with a cat is cat hair, but it's a natural gift that'll come as part of this giveaway and it won't cost any extra. So guys, what we have here is we have the Brother Watchman little satin blade. This also I didn't show you guys. I was testing the new one. This is very, very sharp. And what we're going to do is we're going to give this away with this little sheath. I'll clean up that scale, but it'll be a black with a satin blade, D2, blue G10 handles. Make sure those are good and torqued down. And I think that'll make somebody a great little knife that they can figure out if they want to carry an EDC on the daily. You could take this off and just use it as a pocket dropper if you wanted to. So let's get this one finished up, which will be the one that I'll continue carrying because I like that black wash blade. Bang. In honor of Jared Neves, who's sharpening tutorial members only today on Sunday when I'm recording this, was awesome. And I'll release this today too, so you guys can see it, since it was kind of a combination unboxing, rescaling, and future giveaway. So guys, what we'll be doing is I will be putting this one back in my little sheath. Whoops. No, I won't either. All right, so they are more fitted for the blades. All right. So this one will go with this sheath. I'll just switch these out. I don't know why the retention is so much different. All right, guys. So the way we do that is real quickly go rant, 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 rant. Pop that out with this regular Phillips head. You guys are probably going to swap this out, I would think, when you get it, but you might not. You might use the belt carrier. And that is perfectly cool. I use the same hardware to mount my little leather strap. So I'm just going to simply take that like that. Kind of pops in there a little tight. Why is it giving me a hard time? There we go. And put that right there. Boom. Put that right there. Answer that back a little bit. Snug it up nicely. Come back over here. Let's do this. Let's do this. This is going to be right carry. Don't put it on like that. The that screw side on the inside so it won't come loose. And again, you can adjust this little clip different ways, or you can use an ulti-clip or a horizontal strap, depending on what your mounting style is. But this way, you've got a belt clip. Makes for a great little pocket dropper. I've got it set up because I drop mine in my left pocket. If you want it in your right pocket, just flip it around. But yeah, guys, the Brother Watchman little D2 fixies. Modded mine and got a giveaway. Guys, I appreciate you. I'm glad you stopped by to watch the video. I hope you found it informative. These are still available on Amazon, a few of them. They're right around 20 bucks, 25 bucks, something like that. But thank you, thank you, thank you. If you get the chance, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.